All right, guys, today we're gonna be starting on building the pole barn in the backyard. So the guys just arrived here. Let's get to it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and hit that little bell joint so you guys can get notifications of everything that's going on. You know, thank you guys for your support. Now let's get it. All right, so we're here. We're moving all that stuff first. All right, so we're laying everything down now, preparing everything so we can get this building up. So we took that pipe out, and now we're setting up everything on here. It's going down, baby. Oh, guys, update. We didn't get anything done today because our machine went down. This guy let somebody borrow it. And they didn't take, you know, I don't know what happened, but the thing's not even starting. We're trying to diagnose it and see what it is. We got it fixed. There was a fuse for the fuel pump. What a nightmare. All right, so we cleared out most of the snow out of here so we can keep working tomorrow. So that's for tomorrow, guys. Hopefully this week it'll be done. We'll see what happens. You know, if it doesn't happen and we have to wait till next week, then that's God's plan. But we ran into some issues and we're just trying to figure them out because these people, they didn't give us the right stuff to assemble this. So we gotta come up with our own ideas. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. All right, so ran into a small issue over here. We have to cut the beams a foot to match the other ones that are 13 foot. So we marked them up. And we're getting it done today, boy. Stay tuned. So we're just removing the top piece. Top, you know, the things going across, the beams, whatever they call it. And we're gonna do it the safe way because we're gonna do it some crazy way. But stay tuned, guys. We're getting this done today.
Yeah. that's like I feel that.
Yeah, excited to disassembling it because we ran into some issues. So things happen. Learning experience for everybody. Got one out. All right, last piece before we take this down. Start cutting it to where we want it. All right, so we got the top pieces off. Now we're gonna do something with these and get them cut to match these ones. All right, so we brought the wall down. Now we're gonna cut the ends. All right, so this one's cut and put back up. We measured it, everything's good. It looks better now. I wouldn't pass inspection if I would have left it like this. I wanted it to leave it like this, taller, but it's not happening. The township's being whack about it. Don't understand why, since my house is up there. This is back here and I'm on the slope down, so. But let's get it. Yeah, boy.
No problem.
No problem. All right, so now we're going to attempt to cut these the same way as those so we can be even. right, so she's back up. Now we just gotta do the roof. All right, so now we're gonna install the cross beams and put them up. All right, we got one up. Now let's get the rest of them. We got two up. Let's keep it going. Third one going up. All right, that's three up on the fourth. Let's get it. We ran into an issue. This thing collapsed on us, so we hooked it up.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
You
sir.
got a baby.
You got a baby. This is like a 60-year-old cougar. Alright, we're doing the last one. We're doing a quick move. Alright. It's assembled, the frame looking thing. We still got more work to do though. Setbacks, but we learned something. Alright, it's a new day. And we're putting up those things on top to connect all the top pieces on together. Right, she's looking more like a building. The ceiling's almost done. We still got a lot to do. Alright, so now they're putting this wall framing on. You gotta get 5 of those poles in there. Look at that cut up there. My man did a great job doing that cut. Love it. So, this guy's working out here hard in the cold, rainy weather. All right, guys, we're getting closer now on finishing the building. They got all the reinforcements put on, and we're going to do the door on over there on that side. But yeah, it looks good. Happy with it, and I can't wait to get it all inspected and electric and everything ran. It's gonna be cool. Stay tuned, guys. Now they're doing the panels. They finish all the doors and stuff. So let's get it. First piece is on. Doors are cut, all the little things, and then they got put up on top. And all 3 over there, and then the other door over there. Very good, it's looking very good. That's it, baby. It's all uphill for now. Uphill from here on out. So sick how the building's turning out. It's all conjunction with the house. And I just gotta move that. Just gotta move that shed, put it on the side of that building. And yeah. Cars are gonna go in there, and we're gonna get it popping. Summertime, baby. Fast and Furious style. That's it. All right, so we got all the walls up today. Just got to do the bottom pieces at the bottom right there. But yeah, the whole building came out. It's coming out really well. Hopefully it'll be done by this week. Man, this guy's work is really good. So, you know, they're taking their time. But we'd love them to finish this week. Let's get it. All right, today's Thursday. And we're doing well so far. We're doing the rafters up there. freaking roof. Wrap this joint up. About to have a roof soon. All right, guys, so this is all wrapped up for, I guess, till Monday. Today is Saturday. The guys didn't show up today. They take off, but they're doing an amazing job putting this thing up. They're taking their time and they're making sure there is no loose ends. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's 30 by 50 or 50 by 30, whatever you guys want to mention it. And it's got four bay doors. So we're gonna have a walk-in door somewhere. We still don't know where we're gonna put it, but I know where I'm gonna put it. So I'm gonna let them know. And all those gaps are gonna get filled in. So they're still not done, but they are about 80% done, I think. So stay tuned for the finished product. And I might even move my shed to here. And I might even move my cars in here today actually. All right, so this guy just finished the trim at the bottom. All around, looks really good now. Wish to have a hole in our ceiling. They also put those things right here across each beam. It's like a beam to support it. But I think they didn't finish that either. Because there's no support on these, but there should be some on these. So let's see what they do. Definitely need some on here. That should be fine because of the structure of it. So, yep. All right, guys. Today, they're putting some doors in and finishing up the building. As you can see, we got the bottom covered and we're getting some doors in. Stay tuned. All right, today we're finishing up the door hardware. Blast you. And we're putting the side door on. Yeah, yesterday I tried to close one and I was like, how am I gonna hold it down? The doors, because I remember you saying we need to close them. It wasn't too crazy. It was this morning when it was crazy. Earlier this morning was crazy. She's got it home now. All right, so the building's up. Looks good. Now she's got a home. You know, and everybody's got a home. That's right. She's got a home. She's for sale. If you guys want to buy her. Looks good in here. Finally did it, man. Pushed through it and got it done. Just like everything I do. Hope you guys enjoy the content. And I appreciate the love for everybody that watches my videos and everybody that follows my channel. You know, so I'm glad you guys sometimes pick, to watch other people's stuff that you don't even know. And somebody that you have right now that is succeeding right in front of your eyes, but you just want to hate. You just want to hate the person. But one day you're going to realize that that person is not there anymore for you to even talk to. So let that sink in, guys. And, I hope the best for everybody. I hope, you know, everybody succeeds in their dreams and everything around them. You know, you gotta conquer everybody's heart. And I'm not talking about violence. I'm talking about doing something that the world loves and doing it so good that nobody can take that from you, and keep perfecting it. The greatest are just like me. So stay tuned for my empire.